Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, guys. And if you need to find the fuse for your alarm system, you have problems with the alarm system, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located and what you need to know about the fuses, guys. Most people will look at it and think, okay, maybe it's a bad good fuse. We'll explain why it's super important to test them, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll cover that in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So what do we have here, guys? 2018 Dodge Challenger. So we're going to go ahead, open right here the hood, and when we open the hood, if you come right here, this is guys the fuse box. You can see that's a fuse box assembly. In order to open it, we have two notches that you need to squish towards each other and pull straight up. Now if we flip that fuse box on the side, okay, the cover here, you're going to notice, okay, let's see if we can get a little bit closer, okay, like that. You will notice, okay, fuse number 10, guys, okay, it's known, okay, this one will be fuse number 10 right here, okay. That fuse, guys, okay, is known as alarm fuse, guys. Now the actual name of the fuse is intrusion module or under the hood lamp, but that's actually, guys, the fuse for the alarm system if you have problems with it. Why it's super important to test these fuses? Due to the fact, guys, that when you look at it, you may think it's a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, and you may end up spending quite a bit of money and time to fix it. So always test them. We'll put a link to a special video that will explain how to test fuses and relays, and it will teach you how to do that in practically a few seconds, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.